Did I just find the next 1000 times Metaverse project? Hey guys, and welcome to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we would like to tell you that this video is not a financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. Now, in this video, we would like to tell you about Everdome. Let's start with some background and take it up from there. In the last years, the virtual reality and augmented reality sectors have exploded, but there are a slew of issues that must be addressed before they can become widespread. One issue is a scarcity of realistic avatars. Individuals in virtual worlds are making it impossible to connect to one another due to their present avatars' cartoonish and artificial appearances. Everdoe Metaverse tries to address this issue by enhancing the realism of avatars. Everdoe Metaverse intends to create a hyper-realistic Metaverse 3.0 environment in collaboration with Metahero. Everdome will be able to build very realistic virtual objects and avatars. In other words, avatars may be created to resemble human faces. This is made feasible by merging state-of-the-art VR and AR technology with 3D scanning equipment. So, what is the Everdoe Metaverse exactly? Rob Grin and Metahero have collaborated on Everdome, a pioneering new Metaverse project. With the assistance of Wolf Digital Studios, a top virtual reality business in Poland, they are creating an ultra-realistic virtual environment. Everdome will be a place where Metahero's incredible technology may dwell, engage, and thrive, moving Metahero and Everdome from a portal into the Metaverse to a completely universal Web3 experience. To the point where you won't be able to discern what's genuine and what's not when you pull off your VR headset. Everdoe Metaverse creates ultra-realistic 3D using 3D scanning technologies. The avatar may be scanned in 3D and modeled after the user's face in terms of form and size. This gives the avatar a more realistic appearance. But it doesn't end there. The innovation can even build virtual avatar accoutrements. Avatars may be customized with virtual belts, shoes, as well as other accessories, for example. These products have been designed to seem as authentic as possible. Everdoe Metaverse will undoubtedly transform the virtual reality market. Eventually, you'll be capable of playing Metaverse games as yourself and appear just like you in video chats. Overall, the Everdoe Metaverse is a fascinating project with the ability to shape the future of augmented worlds. Everdome is the most comprehensive Metaverse endeavor ever seen in cryptography in the entire world. They're putting their sophisticated technological abilities to work to create a genuine virtual area where users may buy land, rent property, and partake in a variety of VR pastimes. For this cutting-edge invention, the opportunities are boundless. Everdome will add to Metahero's objective of serving as a portal to the Metaverse. Metahero will identify real-world people and items, which will subsequently be able to interact with the new virtual environment of Everdome. Let's talk a bit about the team. Rob enlisted the help of world-class experts and engineers to ensure Everdome's success. For example, he employed Bally Singh, one of the most influential CMOs in the world, who has ties to the Formula 1, NBA, and NFL. He has boosted the careers of several musicians including Sting, Jamiroquai, Pharrell Williams, 50 Cent, The Weeknd, and French Montana. YT and TT are simply a minor element of the Metaverse's largest advertising strategy. Rob will work with key players such as Sony, Topstars, EA Games, and conventional market firms. Its goals aren't limited to the crypto sphere. Not only that, but BitBoy, Chico Crypto, and a slew of other influential figures have already engaged in Everdome. Robert Grin, founder and CEO. Robert Grin, the company's founder and CEO, is Poland's youngest self-made billionaire, according to Forbes. He was previously the CEO of CodeWise, Europe's second fastest growing company. He moved his entire concentration and awareness to cryptocurrency after selling CodeWise. His new challenge is to aid in the mass acceptance of the groundbreaking technology. He, like many others, appears to believe that blockchain will make the whole world a more equal and fair and happier place. Jeremy Lopez, COO. Jeremy Lopez, the Chief Operating Officer, offers a multitude of expertise and perspective in marketing plan, business functions, customer acquisition, and hypergrowth activities, having spent 15 years focusing on early-stage digital films. Jeremy has handled director and C-level positions in 8 businesses, 5 of which have successfully exited. Bally Singh, CMO. Bally has a lot of expertise mixing technology with the realms of music, art, and sports. In previous partnerships, he has brought together major corporations like Microsoft, AMG, Sledgehammer Games, McLaren, Plextronics, and EA Games with worldwide musicians like Sting, Jamiroquai, Pharrell Williams, 50 Cent, The Weeknd, and French Montana, to name a few. Wojtek Water, CPO. I might have butchered that name. Wojtek has over 10 years of experience in marketing and blockchain technology. Full stack developer with experience. Managing technical and commercial organizations is something he has done in the past. Artur Kaczmarczyk, Chief Growth Officer. Another potential butcher. Artur provides war room decision-making experience from his half-decade building and delivering effective ad tech collaborations and marketing strategies in one of Europe's fastest-growing organizations, and a wealth of expertise in collaborations, community development, and administration. Initial advertising of landing on Twitch, esports events, and regular media with visual quality comparable to that of GTA 5. So this is what you need to know regarding the allocation. The only way to book allocation now is to buy and lock $4,010 set for 1 year. Will increase to $4,100 on the 11th. Instruction and video tutorial how to do that will be provided on the description below. Now let's talk about some features. Everdome brings together all of the components for a multi-billion-dollar metaverse business. Branding. Everdome's hyper-realistic characteristic will attract quality-conscious brands, businesses, and individuals. Social. Searching for a spot to chill out, maybe even play some video games, Everdome can accommodate both social and professional events. Professional. In Everdome, you may hold important meetings, seminars, or any other sort of event or work that you would accomplish in the real world. Products to sell/buy. All enterprises and brands who establish themselves in Everdome will be able to supply items to their current customers as well as potential clients. Dome Estate. Connecting individuals and businesses together to create the best Web3 experience possible. Purchase land. Purchase Everdome land to expand your Metaverse holdings of NFTs and digital property. Buy/rent/lease property. You will be able to develop your real estate portfolio in Everdome in a manner that is remarkably similar to what you would do in the actual world. Advertise. Advertising spaces will be accessible in both the Metaverse and the actual world if you want to increase your company or product's impact. Marketplaces. Everdome will assist you in facilitating your market, enabling you to expand your outreach and consumer base while also allowing you to provide novel items for an amazing new environment. And now we would like to introduce to you Metahero and tell you how it's all connected together. So, what is Metahero? Metahero is a system that combines blockchain technology with Ultra HD metascanning to produce ultra-realistic 3D characters and virtual products for usage in games, virtual reality, social networking, and online shopping. It also permits real-world art to be scanned into Ultra HD 3D NFTs and stored on the blockchain, making the art essentially indestructible and immortal. Anyone may scan things, including oneself, in ultra-high definition using Metahero 3D chambers across the world. The 3D room is made up of 200 Sony A7 Riva cameras, each of which is separated into 10 columns. A full-frame Exmor RTM CMOS 61MP1 sensor and the Bion's X processor are used in each camera. This provides for the most accurate texture, gradient, and illumination in the finished 3D model. As a consequence, with an 8K texture, the outcome of the end model is unsurpassed. The long-term objective of Metahero is to build the world's biggest library of 3D scanned real-world items and individuals. Metahero will pay these people to be detected in their own currency. Overall, Metahero is an incredible concept with a lot of promise which has yet to be achieved. Metahero, on the other hand, has a functioning prototype, which you can see here. Pre-sale access to the Everdoe Metaverse is assured for Hero token holders. They are entitled to 5% of the overall supply, as well as significant land discounts, all thanks to the application of a few basic criteria. So, if you want to be a part of the Everdoe Metaverse pre-sale, head now. Keep an eye on the Everdoe Metaverse for additional information. WDW and Metahero have teamed together to bring the globe to the next horizon, Everdome. Everyone will have new experiences and possibilities thanks to the integration of the virtual and real worlds, all in Ultra HD. Gaming. In your personal favorite, get to be a hero. Virtual reality. In teleconferences or dates, be yourself in the virtual environment. Virtual and augmented reality. Change your appearance or see whether getting a new tattoo is a smart option. Make your own animated GIFs. Fashion. Examine how you seem in well-known brands' clothing. Suit your size and get it delivered to your door. Social media. In the real world, gather experiences of yourself and dear ones to build personalized hologram albums. Medicine. Learn about innovative ways to identify ailments and conduct medical advice on the other side of the globe. Announcements. Metahero. Creating value for everybody engaged in a revolution like Metahero requires many distinct aspects to come together. Metahero is ecstatic to inform that they have made another stride toward improving one of the most important components, the team, today. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a big like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We'll see you all in our next videos, and until then, thank you so much for watching.